Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth overview comparison review about these two platforms, which is Insightly and Nutshell CRM. So to get started with a quick overview, the strength and the insight of this platform to help you make an informed decision on which of these platforms will be a better option for you to use in 2025. Let's start with a quick overview. Insightly is a CRM that combines customer relationship management with a project management and workflow automation, ideas for businesses that want to manage the full customer lifecycle in one platform or in one tool. Talking about Nutshell on the other side is a simple sales-focused CRM built for small businesses and teams with an emphasis on pipeline management, reporting, and ease of use. Now, revealing the strength and weakness of Insightly platform. So I'm going to start with the strength. It combines CRM, task tracking, and a project management. Also allows the workflow automation with custom pipelines and also has a good integration with G Suite, Outlook, and Zipper. On the other side, the weakness is the UI is not as modern as an intuitive as competitors. The reporting features are basic unless it's upgraded and can be overkill if you only need a sales-focused CRM. Now, talking about not sales CRM on the other side, revealing the strength, that's a very user-friendly and a quick setup interface, together with the built-in email automation and the pipeline tracking, together with the great customer support and onboarding. Now, revealing the weakness of this platform, lack built-in project or tax management, such as limited customization compared to Insightly, no free plan, and some features gated by higher type plan. And here's the overall conclusion. So just Insightly if you need CRM functionalities along with a project tracking and workflow automation in one tool. On the other side, just the Nutshell CRM if you want a clean, easy to use CRM that help you focus on sales management and necessary without unnecessary complexity. Just go for Nutshell CRM. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these two CRM platform and which of these would be a better option for you. Thanks.